HAProxy, High Availability Proxy, is a free and open-source load balancing and proxy server software that can be used to distribute traffic across multiple servers to improve performance, scalability, and reliability of applications. HAProxy is designed to handle high volumes of traffic and supports various protocols, including HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, SMTP, and WebSocket. It provides advanced load balancing algorithms such as round-robin, least connections, and IP hashing, which can be customized to meet specific application requirements. HAProxy also offers health checks to ensure that traffic is only directed to healthy servers, and it can automatically detect server failures and route traffic to healthy servers. In addition to load balancing, HAProxy also provides other features such as SSL offloading, content switching, and request/response modification, which can be used to optimize application performance, security, and availability. It can be configured using a simple text-based configuration file, and it can be run on a variety of platforms, including Linux, Unix, and BSD. HAProxy is widely used by organizations of all sizes, including large enterprises, web hosting companies, and cloud service providers, to improve the performance and availability of their applications. Its popularity is due to its high performance, flexibility, and reliability. Architecture: HAProxy is a software-based load balancer that runs on a single server and distributes traffic to multiple backend servers. It operates at Layer 4, Transport Layer, or Layer 7, Application Layer, of the OSI model, depending on the mode of operation. Modes of operation: HAProxy can operate in several modes, including TCP mode, HTTP mode, and mail mode. In TCP mode, it simply forwards TCP connections to backend servers, while in HTTP mode, it can inspect HTTP requests and responses to perform advanced load balancing and content switching. In mail mode, it can perform load balancing for SMTP and POP3 mail servers. Load balancing algorithms: HAProxy supports various load balancing algorithms, including round-robin, least connections, source IP hashing, and URI hashing. These algorithms determine how traffic is distributed across backend servers and can be customized to optimize performance and availability. SSL/TLS offloading: HAProxy can offload SSL/TLS encryption and decryption from backend servers, which reduces the processing overhead on those servers and improves performance. It can also perform SSL termination, where it decrypts incoming requests and encrypts outgoing responses. Health checks: HAProxy can perform health checks on backend servers to ensure that they are responsive and available. It supports various types of health checks, including TCP checks, HTTP checks, and SSL checks. If a server fails a health check, HAProxy can automatically remove it from the pool of available servers. Content switching: HAProxy can route traffic based on the content of the request or response. For example, it can route traffic based on the URI, the HTTP method, or the presence of specific headers. This capability enables advanced load balancing scenarios and can improve application performance and security. Request/response modification: HAProxy can modify HTTP requests and responses on the fly. For example, it can add or remove headers, rewrite URIs, or redirect requests to different URLs. This capability enables advanced content switching and can improve application performance and security. Overall, HAProxy is a powerful and flexible load balancing and proxy server software that provides advanced features to improve the performance, scalability, and reliability of applications. Its popularity is due to its high performance, flexibility, and reliability, and it is widely used by organizations of all sizes to improve their application delivery.